Atmospheric pollution is not only type of contamination that is harming living beings the planet. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, it is one of the most dangerous environmental threats to health. And according to the European Environment Agency EEA, noise is responsible for 12,000 premature deaths and 48,000 new cases of ischemic heart disease every year. Heart heart disease every year. Drivers honking the horn, groups of workers drilling the road surface, aircraft flying over US in the sky, noise, and more noise. Cities have become the epicenter of a type of pollution, acoustics, which, although its invisibility and the fact that coronavirus crisis reduced it until almost on it is severely damaging to human beings, so much so that the European Environment Agency estimated the noise is responsible for 12,000 premature deaths and 48,000 new cases of ischemic heart disease. Not only not only does it hurt humans, it is bad for animals too. According to the National Park Service (NDS) in the United States, noise pollution has an enormous environmental impact and does serious damage to wildlife. Experts say noise pollution can interfere with breeding cycles and rearing and is even hastening the extinction of some species. Noise pollution is not all sound is considered noise pollution. The World Health Organization, who defines noise above 65 decibels dB as noise pollution. To be precise, noise becomes harmful when it exceeds 75 decibels and is painful above 120 dB. As a consequence, it is recommended noise levels be kept below 65 dB during the day and indicates that restful sleep is impossible with nighttime ambient noise levels in excess of 30 dB. Cause of noise pollution: traffic traffic noise. Traffic noise accounts for most polluting noise in cities. For example, a car horn produces 90 dB and a bus produces 100 dB. Air traffic noise. There are fewer aircraft flying over cities than there are cars on the roads, but the impact is greater. A single aircraft produces 130 dB. Construction sites, building and car park, construction and road and pavement resurfacing works are very noisy. For example, a pneumatic drill produces 110 dB. Animals noise made by animals can go unnoticed, but a howling or barking dog, for example, can produce around 60 to 80 dB. Effect of noise pollution is as well as damaging our hearing by causing tinnitus or deafness. Constant loud noise can damage human health in many ways, particularly in the very young and the very old. Here are some of the main ones: physical, respiratory agitation, raising pulse, high blood pressure, headaches, and in case of extremely loud, con- constant noise, gastritis, colitis, and even heart attacks. Physiological noise can cause attacks of stress, fatigue, depression, anxiety, and hysteria in both humans and animals. Sleep and behavior disease. Noise above 45 dB stops you from falling asleep or sleeping properly. Remember that according to the World Health Organization, it should be no more than 30 dB. Loud noise can have latent effects on our behavior, causing aggressive behavior and irritability. Memory and concentration noise may affect people's ability to focus, which can lead to low performance over time. It is also bad for the memory, making it hard to study. Interestingly, our ears need more than 16 hours rest to make up or for 2 hours of exposure to 100 dB. Solution to reduce noise pollution is international bodies like the WHO agree that awareness of noise pollution is essential to beat this invisible enemy. For example, avoid very noisy leisure activities, OPT for alternatives mean of transport such as bicycles or electric vehicle, overtaking the car. Do your housework at recommended times, insulate homes with noise absorbing materials, etc. Educating the younger generation is also an essential aspect of environmental education. Thank you.